Hey everybody, how you doing today? Thought I'd come in and kind of give you guys a brief summary of what we're going to be reading about so that if you struggle with understanding what we're talking about, you can look at this video and hopefully get a better understanding by my explanation. So you're going to be reading pages 155 through 159 over the next couple days, and we're going to start out with 155, which talks about heat. And it says heat is the transfer of energy, and more specifically transfer of thermal energy. And it's the transfer of energy between two objects of different temperatures. Well, what does that mean? It means when you touch something and it feels cold, heat is transferring from you to the other object because you're warmer. And as we talked about earlier, heat always transfers from the object of higher temperature to the object of a lower temperature. Okay? So an example again would be you touch something that's cold. Let's say you touch the metal part of the chair. Well, that chair is colder than you are, so and it's a good conductor of thermal energy. So when you touch it, it feels cold because it's quickly taking thermal energy or heat from your body. So heat is transferring, or thermal energy actually is transferring from you to the chair. That's why that chair feels cold. Okay. Now you could touch another object that's colder than you, say wood, the wood of the table, and it doesn't feel as cold. Well, the reason it doesn't feel as cold is because wood's more of an insulator, so it doesn't take that heat very well from your body. However, there is thermal energy transferring from you to the wood because your hand is warmer than that wood is. Remember, you're 98.6 degrees. The wood is probably 70 degrees in this room. So, again, heat is the transfer of energy, and specifically we're talking about thermal energy. Heat or thermal energy always transfers from the object of the higher temperature to the object of a lower temperature. Okay, so that's example. In the book it talks about when a doctor puts a stethoscope on your back. If they're listening to you breathe, it feels cold. Well, again, that stethoscope is colder than you are, the temperature's lower, the body temperature that you have is higher, so the thermal energy is going to transfer from you to the stethoscope. Okay? A tongue depressor is another thing you'll hear about. And the tongue depressor, although it's colder than you, is not as good of a conductor. It's more of an insulator because it's made of wood. So the thermal energy, it is transferring, but it's not transferring nearly as quickly, so it doesn't feel as cold. Hopefully that helps you understand what heat is, again, the transfer of energy, and you have a better understanding of what we're going to be talking about with that. Have a great day.